Yes, hello friends, this is George from SEO Parrots. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is white hat SEO. What is white hat SEO? This is a very important concept of SEO. Most companies nowadays are ignoring this concept, and that's why they are unable to give good results to the client. So before having a look at what is white hat SEO, we will have to look what are the types of SEO. So, primarily SEO is divided into three parts. One is white hat SEO, second is gray hat SEO, and third is black hat SEO. Just a sec. Yeah, this PPT we can better understand. So, we have three types of SEO: white hat SEO, gray hat SEO, and black hat SEO. So, what is the meaning of white hat SEO? So the term white hat SEO refers to SEO tactics that are in line with the terms and conditions of major search engines including Google. So which means that which websites which follow practices which are given which is proven as good for Google, which is offering quality content and services, fast site loading time and mobile friendliness, using descriptive keyword rich meta tags, making your site easy to navigate. Right. So these are the following terms which is considered as a white hat SEO technique. Now let's have a look at what is gray hat SEO. Gray hat SEO is difficult to define because you can say that it's somewhere between black hat and white hat. Black hat, what is black hat? We will see it later. So gray hat techniques include SEO squatting, which means that you are purchasing a lot of dead domains, which are expired domains, and then using those domains. Creating social media accounts for your pets. Suppose you have pet and you are making a social media Facebook page, Instagram page, or Twitter page for your pets. Fabricated news which you can say is improper, which is not correct, changing the original news content and making some manipulation on keyword association manipulation, because this is a very important thing. Nowadays what people are doing, they're stuffing keywords, they're putting more and more and more and more and more keywords in the website, so this is not a desirable practice. So black hat SEO. Black hat SEO refers to practices that are used to increase site page rank in search engines through means that violate search engines terms of service. Which means this type of practices are not acceptable by major search engines. Right? So what are these practices? These practices include content automation. Content automations means uploading a content through web bots, through automatically updating a content on a website, which is not acceptable. Doorway pages which does not exist on the website, which leads you to another website, right, which is not your website. Hidden text or links, text and links which again take you to other website, which the website which are completely irrelevant to your business niche. So this type of practice is also not acceptable by Google. Keyword stuffing, which I already told you in the gray hat technique, that using lots and lots of keyword. If you are using an article of 500 words, you are putting around about 50 or 100 keywords, which is not acceptable. Redirects, this is again also not acceptable. You can do permanent redirects, but temporary redirects are also not acceptable. Clocking means that when somebody is clicking on a website, which on the website is showing that the service is something, and when clicked and when it redirects, it opens up another website. Okay. Spinning of articles. So article spinning, you take a website on Google and spin it through a bot, right, and just put that the same article on your website. So this is also not acceptable through Google. Just we will have a look at that what is white hat SEO. And so according to us, white hat SEO should always be used because this type of SEO is better, right? So let's have a look that what is white hat. We will just have a look an example of a website, one of my favorite websites, which is Search Engine Land. Have a look. You can have a look at the meta title, right? Meta description, the site links where they are using. Yeah, have a look here. these types are these this type of website are acceptable by Google, and Google will give rankings to only these type of websites. Let us have a look at the on page optimization of search engine line. See, you can look at the content, what the content they are using. They are using very good images. The navigation is also very good. You can see over here. Even they are using a video. You can see they are using videos. They are having a subscribe button, Facebook button, Twitter button, share button, search button. Look at the navigation they are having. They're completely using white hat techniques. Completely using white hat techniques. So when we do a check of, see, of the backlinks which they are also getting, they're 100% organic backlinks. You can see the referring domains. That domain rating is 91. You can see here a domain rating of search engine line. Look at the amount of backlinks they are getting. 95% of them is do follow, which is considered to be very good by search engines. Okay, so let's conclude the discussion that I want to do. So white hat SEO's organic techniques demand quality site. For example, making your site easy to navigate, speeding your page load time, keyword research, and attracting backlinks from high quality websites. The case in which we saw with search engine line. So according to us, we should always go for white hat SEO, which is always good because it works in the long term, and it also there is low risk of being penalized by Google. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.